Stuck outside your car? Let's break down why that door might be giving you trouble. Alright, first up, the lock. Sometimes it's as simple as a jammed lock. Rust, dirt, or a broken key fob can mess things up. Next, the handle. Car handles can wear out over time. If you pull and nothing happens, the inside mechanism might be broken. What about the weather? In winter, doors can freeze shut. In summer, heat can cause parts to expand and stick. Now, the hinges. If your door seems stuck, it could be sagging hinges. They wear out just like any other part. Electrical problems. In modern cars, doors are often controlled electronically. If the wiring's off, your door might stay locked. Lastly, accidents. Even a small bump can misalign parts and make your door stubborn, so next time your door won't open, check these common issues before you panic. And remember, always consult a professional if you're unsure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy car tips.